Hello, my name is Hélène Defay from the brand Léo de Milly. I will present you the Chablis 2018 with Didier. So first, the brand Léo de Milly, it means the height of Milly, because our cellar is located in the little village of Milly, which is linked to Chablis, just 1 kilometer away. First, I wanted to explain a bit where is Chablis. It's very well known, but not everyone knows exactly where it is. So it's in France, for sure. 2,000 kilometers approx south from Paris, southeast, and it's the north of Burgundy. The entrance of Burgundy is in Chablis. The whole Chablis area spreads on 4 levels of appellation: Petit Chablis, Chablis, Chablis Premier Cru, Chablis Grand Cru. The whole area is approx 5,500 hectares. So the differences between the 4 levels comes from the exposure to the sun and the slope. As you can see on this map, you have Chablis on the center, the village, Milly, just here, and then you have different colors. It's yellow everywhere, but you have light yellow, medium yellow, strong, and almost orange. The very light is Petit Chablis. It's generally on top of the hills or on the lower part, and also on the outside of the appellation. Then you have parallel valley. Here, for example, you have one slope facing northwest, which is Chablis, and one slope facing southeast, which is Chablis Premier Cru. And here you have the Grand Cru, mostly facing south. So the Chablis we will taste comes from a slope mainly facing northwest. It's a vintage 18. We will now start the tasting.
This is now the Chablis vintage 18. The vineyard of this wine come from around Milly. The vinification is only in tank, stainless steel tank, and we use natural yeast to make the first fermentation, the fermentation alcoholic. It's very important for us to use natural yeast to preserve the typicity of the Chablis styles. So this Chablis, it's mineral, but very with the vintage 18, it's a minerality more soft than usually, but it's very easy to when you open the bottle you can drink very quickly.
And there is one point I forgot to say when I first presented the area, is that Chablis is 100% Chardonnay.
No.
It's a very special Chardonnay, but it's a Chardonnay.
And when you smell it, you smell some delicate flower of white flower and a very good intensity and complexity of aromas in noise. And it's very pleasant.
We were lucky with vintage 18, definitely, with good volumes and a wonderful quality, very easy to taste, even young. It's really cool.
And for this wine, you can serve with fish, with fish in papillote,
oui.
Papillote, or oysters, perfect with oysters and nice crustacés.
Sailfish.
It's better.
And the length in the mouth?
It's medium, not too much because it's a generic Chablis, but it's very good, powerful. Not too much, but delicate, powerful.
Very nice. So you first had the Bourgogne, then with the starter you have the Chablis, and then we will follow with the Premier Cru.